Several years ago, the viburnum trend experienced several underground equipment fires. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured, but production was impacted by each event. As a result, the decision was made to install fire suppression systems on all major pieces of underground mobile equipment. I was tasked with creating a lengthy video that included pictures of the location of every single fire suppression actuator on all of this equipment. As a part of that video, I set up several cameras on and around a decommissioned 40-ton Volvo haul truck and deployed the fire suppression system in an attempt to familiarize the workforce with what to expect if they ever had to do that themselves. That turned out to be a pretty neat segment, so I thought I would share it.